So this is Unix lab experiment. So in this ninth experiment, we are going to do IPC using pipes. So we are going to create pipes. So there are two pipes, unnamed pipes, unnamed pipes. So first we are going to do unnamed pipes. So this is the code for unnamed pipe. So we are declaring the necessary header files. Then we are moving to header files. Then here I am declaring an array named as FD. So I am giving us 2-bit and n bytes, and I and id I am declaring into this. Then child IPD I am declaring, and a and rb as a variable. Then here I am declaring an id equal to pipe FD. So this array of that number into this pipe. So I am creating a pipe process here. Then if the id is equal to 0, then pipe should be created, else the pipe is not created. Just it need to display if id is equal to 0, the pipe is created, and if it is not 0, the pipe is not created. Then here we are getting the parent process. So parent process from this system. Then we are asking user to enter a number, and we are getting the number into this. Then we are writing the number with this array function and the size of the a. Then we are declaring a wait function. After that we are getting into child for function. So this process will execute that given number with the process id and the child id and the parent id and child id with the given number is even or odd number. So you can see that child id with this parent id. So we are getting the parent id, and according to that we are getting a child id. Then we are reading that bit what we have given. After that, if the number what have been given is divisible by 2, then it's an even, else it's an odd. So if the child fork is not equal to 0, then sleep 2. I am compiling it. So the parent id is 2827. Then pipe is created. So it's asking to enter a number. I'm entering 144. So it have been given a child id 2800, 2830, and parent id as same is above. So according to this parent id, this child will create. Then the given number 144 is even number because it's divisible by 2. Then we are getting into this named pipe. So named pipe, we are having two things. So first writer. So this is the writer function. We are declaring a necessary header files. Then we are declaring a buffer here. So what you have entered in buffer, what are the string you are entering the buffer, so that should be modified into uppercase letter in that next reader function. So this is the named pipe. So in named pipe we are declaring an id is equal to mknode. So this is a creation of pipe process. So my pipe and 075 and this following thing. And if it's equal to 0, then pipe is created, else it's not created. Then we are getting a string from the user. After that we are getting the buffer, that string. Then we are opening with this buffer. So we are writing that into the string length of buffer, and we are closing this function. Then we are going into reader function. So we have we need to enter a file. After that, after entering a file, it will get into this reader function and it will convert it. So reader function, we are declaring the necessary files and buffer. Then we are declaring a file. Then we are declaring a pipe which have been connected with that named pipe above stated. Then we are declaring a buffer size and the size of buffer what we have entered in the last writer.c. Then it will get into this following function. So I is equal to 0 and the string length of this buffer, and it will increment it. Then if the buffer is less than 97 and greater than 144, so it's getting to this buffer function, and it will change the following given id into following given alphabet into uppercase or lowercase opposite alphabet. So dot c. So pipe has been created. It's asking to enter a string, so I am entering a string. So next thing is we are compiling a reader which has to be transmitted the value of this given into the uppercase. So you can see that the John given in this has to be transmitted in this uppercase. So just a minute, I have given this file into this uppercase. So I am declaring this name as into this lowercase. So you can see that what I have declared here has been changed into this uppercase. So that's it. Thank you.